fortunate I have got the opportunity to hear from Radhanath Swami, Tridandi Swami. Tridandi Swami then, Bhakti. Oh, Tridandi Jyoti Radhanath Swami. So I am very much fortunate to hear from him. He has reminded us about Jagannath Deva's Rath Yatra, significance of Jagannath Dev Rath Yatra, minutely, very clearly, and very with sweet words. We are all very glad to hear from you. But my first opportunity to see you and to hear from you. Indradyumna Maharaj, by his devotion and by the devotion of Vidyapati and Vishavashu, Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra, Nil Madhav appeared as Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra. You will find a Rig Ved also, evidence of it. Adayadaru Plavate. You will find, it is explained there. Chakratirtha. There, Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra appeared by the devotion of Indradyumna Maharaj and his Purohit, priest, Vidyapati and Vishavashu, Sabar Desadipati, but a great devotee. By their devotion, Nil Madhav appeared as Baladev, Subhadra, Jagannath. You will find in Orissa they have written in their own scripture in detail. Here he has narrated about the Ratha Yatra, about how Prataprudra got the grace of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was strict not to meet him, and how he got the grace. Everything you have heard. And only one thing, when after returning from Alalnath, he was meeting in Kashi Mishra, in that Gambhira, Sri Radhakanta Math, Kashi Mishra Bhavan. There, he was meeting all, and who has come to as Shobha Pandit of Raja Prataprudra from Navadvip Dham, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu rescued him from Mayavad Vichar. Sarvabhaum Bhattacharya, he was rescued by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he introduced. After being rescued, he became a staunch follower of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And he, after taking advice of Prataprudra, that Kashi Mishra Bhavan was fixed for the stay of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Vasudeva Sarva approached King Prataprudra, and Prataprudra, he approved this, and the priest, his Gurudev, also approved this. Yes, he has to be very glad. And when all the devotees from Bengal, they reached there during the time of Chaturvasya Vrata, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu returned from Alalnath, and Vasudeva Swami introducing all this. He wanted to know, where is Haridas Thakur? Where is Haridas Thakur? He is on the road. He was making prostrate obeisance on the road. Bring him here. The devotees went. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, it is the order of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, we should go there.